Hey, Michael Church, Crawl Space Ninja. Are you tired of dealing with ants and cockroaches and slugs and all kinds of pests trying to make it into your house? I want you to take a look at Niban. Niban is one of the best products I have ever seen to keep ants, slugs, cockroaches, and other pests far away from your home and your children. It uses boric acid to naturally control these pests that try to infiltrate your home. And the best part about it is it could be applied by you, the homeowner. Just take a look at how we're applying Niban around this building. It comes in a granular application bottle, easy to install, and it is a bait system. It's not releasing pesticides into the environment. The pests come and eat the Niban and then take it back, and it kills the colonies, and it's not harmful. Many baits intended for pests can be hazardous to pets and wildlife. Birds are one of the most sensitive species to these effects. So in New York City's Central Park Bird Aviary, in the 10 years they have been using Niban, there have been no reported problems at the New York City Aviary, unless you're a cockroach, of course. So Niban is a great product for us to use in our homes, around our homes. It could be used inside or outside. So if you have an issue with any type of cockroaches or ants or slugs, crickets, anything like that, I recommend you check out Niban. Now available on the Crawl Space Ninja DIY store. That's diy.crawlspaceninja.com. And I'm Michael Church with Crawl Space Ninja. We hope you make it a happy and blessed day, and we'll see you later. Hey, Michael Church here. Real quick, I want to share two things with you that we've got going on here in Knoxville, Tennessee. Number one, I encourage you to check out the Ninja cabin. We are making this cabin available for people that are interested in staying in the Gatlinburg and Sevierville areas around Dollywood and things like that. It's a beautiful cabin in Wares Valley, Tennessee. I'm going to put a link to that down below. And also, we're going to start doing a live feed, so that way you can talk directly to me. At the end of every month, we're going to be featuring a live feed, so make sure you check out the link below for the live feed coming up at the end of every month.